My name is Gene Hebert. I'm from Houma. Lived here all my life. There's an old saying that you put your mud between your toes and you'll never leave. I had a professional by the name of Willie Baddo teaching here in Houma. And I started with Willie, and then I moved on from Willie. I went to work with Carl Danos and Mike Bonner, and now I'm teaching it. It being able to impart what I know to others. I've been in it 30 years, and seem to be pretty fair at it. I compete on the world level, but I come here to teach carving, and that's it. With wood carving, with teaching wood carving, it's like hunting for diamonds. There's a diamond out there.